Welcome. This is Jamb year 2011 government pass question. Question number 20. The question here says the type of party system in practice is defined by the dash. The type of party system in practice is defined by the dash. And we'll talk of party system. Party system means the practice of political party structure that is in operation in a state or country. So option A say manner in which the parties operate. B, number of political parties in a country. C, relationship between the parties and the electorate. D, structure of the political party. And I will say the party system refers to the political party, and it is defined by the number of political parties in a country. And that's why for instance Nigeria constitution encourages party system. So, and that's why we say it is the number. So we have some country who parties one party system. We have some country who parties two party system, and so and so forth. So this has to do with number. That's why option B is correct. So number of political parties in a country. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.